guys, welcome back to another video. As you see, I don't have my skin. It's because I'm using a different device. And yeah, today you know that lightning experiment video, I used a machine. I built another machine like that. And yeah, before we get into the video, make sure to subscribe and click that notification bell so you don't miss a post. So we're here in first person and we got our mushroom inside. As you see, the egg is the mushroom spawner. So let's see the transformation. It has a sound effect too. I heard. Oh, that sound effect. Oh wow, that's so cool. It said you can switch it back to its original form, I guess. Oh, it's true. So wait. I have an idea. Sorry. I'm so sorry. Okay, let's kill that. I'm just gonna make sure it's out. Get wheat. Okay, do they like wheat? Okay, they like wheat. Come on. Okay, let's get a mushroom. Okay, let's feed the mushroom. Okay, let's breed it with the lightning mushroom. What kit do we get? Let's just break that. Okay. Oh, we get. It's just like its mom, but I thought it was gonna be a mixture of red and the lightning one. So yeah. Thank you guys for watching. Comment down below if you have any suggestions for Minecraft video or any other game you like. I would make a video of it, and make sure to like this video. Thank you guys for watching, and peace out. With